Guys, guess what? We just got a special request on our Instagram from one of our subscribers, Anthony. He requested chickpea blondies. We got you, Anthony. Let's get to it.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Plant-Based Kids!
Hey guys, welcome back to 3 Plant-Based Kids. I'm Soraya, and today we're going to be making chickpea blondies.
Flour, chocolate chips, salt, sunflower butter, chickpeas, vanilla, syrup, baking powder, honey, and that's it.
So now that we're done blending, we're going to start adding the dry ingredients. Let's open it. Now for the taste test. Anthony, you're the bomb. Thank you, Anthony, for this delicious chickpea blondie request. And if you have a special request for us, don't forget to DM us on our Instagram. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on 3 Plant-Based Kids. Bye!